if you're drilling a lot of metal, you're better off using a pillar drill like this. They are quite good for drilling metal. And another thing using a drill like this is you're guaranteed to get parallel holes in your workpiece. Another good thing about a pillar drill is it's really easy to fix your workpiece. Here we're just using a pillar drill clamp, and we've actually bolted this down to the table, so it's all nice and sturdy now, so we can drill in that without it moving anywhere. The beauty of a drill like this is you don't always need to use a centre punch. You can usually get a good start, an accurate start, by using a centre drill. So I'll just give you a quick demo now. So we'll just fit the centre drill. And then we'll just put some safety glasses on. Now normally you'd put the drill guide down when you were drilling, but obviously it's going to obscure the drill bit when we're filming, so we'll just leave that up. But obviously if you're drilling at home, you would obviously put that guide down. So we'll just start the drill off now. So you can see that's giving us quite a good start now for the actual larger drill bit that we're going to use. So we're just going to have to remove the piece of work here from the vise until we get the drill bit in. And then we'll just make sure that's tight. And then we'll just put that back in there. And we'll just centre it before we tighten it back up. And that's about right there, so we'll just tighten that. Now because we've got it clamped properly and we only need one hand to operate the drill press, we can actually spray coolant on with the other hand. speed was a little bit faster, but it is quite difficult changing the speed on this machine because you have to mess about with the belts. So that was a little bit too fast, but it has gone through and we've got a nice clean hole. If you ever need to drill a long piece of material like this, it's essential that you clamp it down correctly. Now I've positioned the table so that the hole's directly underneath the actual drill bit. You could put it on there and you could clamp it in that position and drill it. But there's always a chance that it'll actually work loose and then it'll start spinning round. So a good thing to do is use the pillar at the back to your advantage. And you can actually jam your work up against the pillar. So what we can do with this is we can get the piece of work, jam it up against the pillar at the back, bring the drill bit down until it's centred, and then just clamp it in that position. And now that's in a good place for drilling because this is securely clamped. It can't actually go anywhere because if that twists, it's going to try turning the workpiece that way and it can't go that way because it's jammed up against the pillar. So it should be pretty easy drilling through this. And there you go, that went straight through. That is softer by the way because that is aluminium and last time we were drilling steel.